Good morning, students. Welcome to the e-learning class of Social Science. Today we will start with a new lesson, Lesson 13, Our Water Resources. Let us start with Get Set. Fill in the missing letters to complete the names of these water bodies. The first one is Mumbai faces this sea, Arabian Sea. This longest river of South India is also called Dakshin Ganga, Godavari. This lake in Odisha is famous for migratory birds, Chilka Lake. Dear students, in this lesson, we will learn about sources of water and means of irrigation. Let's start with the lesson. Water is essential for life. पानी हमारे लिए जिंदा रहने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है. We need water for drinking, bathing, cooking and washing. We also need water to grow crops. Animals also need water. Sources of water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. धरती का 3/4 हिस्सा पानी से ढका हुआ है. There are many sources of water. The first one is rain. It is the main source of fresh water. Fresh water means water that is not salty, जो खारा नहीं है. Farmers depends upon rainwater for their crops. Groundwater. Much of the rain water that falls seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. Wells and hand pumps are used to take out ग्राउंड वाटर. जो पानी धरती के नीचे समा जाता है उसे हैंडपम्प्स और कुओं के जरिए बाहर निकाला जाता है. पॉन्ड्स एंड लेक्स. एन एरिया ऑफ वाटर सराउंडेड बाय लैंड इज कॉल्ड ए पॉन्ड. ए लेक इज बिगर देन ए पॉन्ड. रेन वाटर कलेक्ट्स इन द ponds and lakes. Rivers. Rivers that originate in the mountains get water from the melting of snow and rain. Hence, they carry water throughout the year. जो नदियाँ पहाड़ों से निकलती हैं, यह ओरिजिनेट होती हैं, उनमें पानी सारा साल रहता है क्योंकि वो पानी बर्फ़ के पिघलने के कारण आता है. Rivers that originate from plateau get water only from rain. They almost dry up during summers. जो प्लेट्यू के रिवर्स हैं उनमें जो पानी होता है उसमें सिर्फ बारिश का पानी आता है. इस कारण वो समर्स में गर्मियों में बिल्कुल सूख जाती हैं. Seas and oceans. Most of the water on the earth is in the seas and ocean. However, this water is salty. We cannot use it. धरती पर जितना ज़्यादा पानी सारा सीज और ओशन में ही है, पर यह पानी हमारे किसी काम का नहीं है क्योंकि यह पानी सॉल्टी है, नमकीन है. Now we will do the next topic, means of irrigation. To grow crops, farmers need sufficient and timely supply of water. This is possible only through irrigation. सिंचाई के बहुत सारे साधन विकसित हुए. These are different means of irrigation in India. Wells and tubewells. In villages, people dig wells to bring groundwater to the surface. Water is drawn using a Persian wheel. Sometimes groundwater lies at great depth. In such a case, a deep hole is dug, a tube is sunk in the hole, and water is brought up using an electric pump. Such a well is called tube well. They are widely used in the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat. Canals. In the northern and coastal plains, small channels are dug to take water from the rivers to the fields. These are called canals. नदियों में से काटकर नहरें बनाकर पानी खेतों तक पहुंचाया जाता है. Tanks. In the southern plateau, the low-lying areas get filled with the water during the monsoon season. These are called tanks. Tanks irrigation is mostly practiced in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. Sprinklers. In sprinkler irrigation, water from a pipe is sprayed into the air. It falls on plants like rain. It is popular in Rajasthan, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh and Kerala. Now, dams. A dam is a very strong wall built across a river to block the flow of water. This water is stored in an artificial lake called reservoir created behind the dam. The stored water is taken to the fields through canals. A dam has a special gate called sluice gates that can be opened and closed to control the flow of water. A dam is a multi-purpose project because it is useful to us in many ways. Some of them are: in a dam, water is made to fall from a great height. The force of the falling water is used to generate hydroelectricity. It provides water for irrigation. It also helps to control floods. There are many multi-purpose projects in India. Some of them are the Bhakra Nangal Dam built on the river Satluj, the Damodar Valley project built on the Damodar River and its tributaries, the Sardar Sarovar Dam built on the river Narmada, the Mettur Dam on Kaveri River, the Tehri Dam built on the Bhagirathi River in Uttarakhand is the highest dam in India. The Hirakund Dam built on the Mahanadi River in Odisha is the longest dam in India. Dear students, now let's have a quick recap of points covered in this lesson. Water is essential for life. Different sources of water, about different means of irrigation, dams and their uses, multi-purpose projects in India. Students, as you know, water is very precious, so we should take steps to save water. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.